Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your speaker JBL Flip 7. All controls we have at the top of the speaker, and let's get started with this. So, you can create a stereo group, and if you have two speakers with the same model, so if you have two Flip 7, you can just press at this button and you will create a stereo group. Your equalizer will disabled when you use it. Next one we have power button is to turn on, turn off your speaker. So you press one time and you will turn on, or you press one time and you will turn off. It depends what you wanna do. Next we have a Bluetooth button. We use this button to enter prank mode, so if you want to pair your speaker with a phone or with another device, you just press one time and start blinking and you can connect your speaker with some device. Next one we have volume control button. So let's get started with volume up button. It have a plus icon right here, and you can press or press and hold. You will increase the volume with it. To lower the volume, use volume down button, what have a minus icon, and you just press on it or press and hold, and you will lower it. And next we have play pause button, and with this button we can play and pause by press one time at this button. So I'm just press one time and I pause the song, I press again, and I should play a song. Let's try it again. Yeah. I just play song. If you press two times this button, you will play sorry, you will play next track. So 1, 2, and here we go. If you press three times at this button, you will play previous track. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, bonus for you is if you press at the same time play pause button and volume up button for at least 2 seconds, you will perform a factory reset on this speaker. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.